watch them squirm down. And
yep. I don't say my feeds is not good. It's getting the haircut.
Yep. Combine?
Okay, yeah, we're good. Go ahead. Okay.
Okay guys, so this is day one of corn harvest. Everything went pretty good today. We are done for right now because all the bins over there are full. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing a coat right now, it's because we actually had our first frost this morning. So it is about 40 degrees-ish right now. So that's why I'm wearing a coat. We didn't get too much done, but as you can see, got a good chunk up here. The reason we didn't get as much done is because since the combine's full, and then the grain carts, but corn yield is around 200, as with soybeans it's about 60-ish. So we fill up really fast with corn, so that's why we didn't get as much done. But overall for corn, it went pretty good. So here's the combine. For those of you non-farmers, this is a corn head, obviously. We don't use the same head for soybeans because it works differently. And a quick overview of how it works. So there's these spinning rod things down here, and those are spinning like this, and it sucks the corn in and then yanks the cob off. And then these chains right here are called the gathering chains, and those basically just bring the corn cob up, and then that auger right there brings them into the feeder house. So you can kind of see what it looks like. This is a pretty old header. I'm not sure what year it is, but you can see the metal is worn down pretty good. I know I didn't get too much filming today. We were kind of trying to figure everything out, make sure all the settings and spacings for all the insides are correct. That way we're not spitting anything out the back. It took a little bit to get everything set just right, but once we did, we were going. We had a pretty constant speed of around 3 miles an hour, which is fairly good for corn harvest. So here's the corn. As you can see, it's pretty tall, past my head actually. You can see they're actually pretty big ears. I'm not sure what it's yielding, so we don't have a yield monitor, but it seems like it's doing pretty good. Like I said, it's tall. Looks like each one has one ear on it, which is normal. But yeah, they seem pretty big, so that's good. On an average year, we usually can start about down here and get all the way to the other end, and that's about one hopper full. But this year, we actually can't get all the way without having to refill, so that's good news. Couple cobs here I'll pick up. Every cob counts. We'll go throw these in the header. That way they can get shelled out. So a good way to see how big these are is to count how many rows are all the way around. And in this case, it is 16 rows around. So that's pretty big. Usually they're between 14 and 18, so this is pretty average. If I break it like that, I can count how many rows are around. That's another good way to count them. You can see they don't look too bad. Here's the tip end. They're pretty dry. I'm not sure what the moisture is, but they don't seem too bad. I'm not sure how scientific this is, but I like to stick my fingernail right in this yellow part. Not this side, but that kind of white part right there. And that kind of says how moist they are. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.